Hi everyone and welcome back to Sew Blessed by Jess, and today we're doing yet another block in our Civil War sampler book. Today we are going to be working on London Square. It is on page 30. It is block number 13. So lucky 13 I guess, but there she is in her colorway. So we have some half square triangles, some half triangles, and yeah, lots of triangles today. Triangles, triangles, triangles. So here is the fabric that we will be working with. We have this beautiful burgundy fabric with some leaves. Then we have some brown background fabric with, I have no idea what kind of, I guess more leaves, some sort. And then for contrast, we have white with a little print on it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, follow the cutting instructions that are in the front of the book, and then we'll get to sewing it together. All right, so let's go ahead and put this block together. So these big blocks are on opposite sides of each other. And I'm going to kind of spread this block out just a little bit more than it really needs to be. All right, so we're going to, or let me just start on this side. Okay, so we're going to have 3 lights going up the side, and then we're going to have this color, so the opposite here, and one more. Where is she? There she is. Okay. Then we're going to put 4 more lights. So here's our half square triangles that we're going to make. Oops. Another one of these burgundy ones. Okay. And then we're going to put the brown, the opposite here. And then our triangle. All right, so this is the block that we are going to make. So how I would put this block together is I'm going to create all 4 of these half square triangles. Then I'm going to flip these triangles on top of them. So here and here and here, and create, and then sew these horizontal lines. After I do that, I'm pressing everything how it wants to lay, then I will add the triangles to the side. So again, let me explain it one more time. We're going to make these 4 half square triangles. After we make the half square triangles, I am then going to add these to the sides like this. So I'm going to sew them to the sides and then press them out. Once I press them out, I will add them, the horizontal lines, all the way up. So I'll match this cream to this red, this cream to the red, and cream to the red, and then it'll create this diagonal. After I do that, I will find the center, which should be somewhere around right here. I will find the center of this triangle, and then I will add that triangle, press it out, add this triangle, and press it out. Okay, so that's the plan. Let's see it come into fruition. And here is London Square. I have to fix the back a little bit, but I press it out. I do have one that was turned. So when I have one, see how this seam, it starts over here and then I flipped it by accident. I go ahead, I take my scissors and I go really close to that seam and I kind of just snip at it. A little bit more. Okay. And then I will iron it again and it'll lay flat like that when I iron it again. And I left all my dog ears on just to show you, but yeah. So exactly what I said, do your half square triangles, add then your half triangles on, and then you can nest, and you're going to put this diagonal piece together and then add your triangles. So worked out perfectly. Anywho, so good block, a little challenging, and just, you know, at first, just to make sure that we did it correctly. But yeah, it's a wonderful little block. London Square, right? Yeah, London Square. Had to double, triple check. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking interest in this quilt along that I'm doing. You will not see as many videos going forward every week that I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of getting caught up, and then I will periodically put videos out. It'll take a while to get all of these videos out because I really want to do other things too, and I don't want my channel to be, oh, silverware block. That's what she's doing again today. So I want to have a little bit of fun with everyone and try to hit all the good spots. So until our next meeting, I will see you later. Enjoy your day. And thank you so much for coming along.